Planning a trip to Disney World this Christmas? Not sure how to make the most of your trip? Welcome everyone, to a journey filled with enchantment and wonder. This video will be your guide to a magical Christmas at Disney World. We're going to unwrap some insider tips and tricks that will help you get the absolute most out of your holiday visit. From must-see attractions to seasonal events, we've got you covered. So buckle up, folks. Stay tuned as we dive into the magic and explore the best ways to experience Disney World this holiday season. The magic of Disney World starts even before you step foot in the park. It begins with the anticipation, the planning, and the gleam in your eye as you map out your magical adventure. And let me tell you, planning is not just a preliminary step, it's an integral part of the journey. Choosing the right time to visit is paramount. Christmas at Disney World is truly a spectacle to behold, with twinkle lights adorning every corner, snow gently falling on Main Street, and the air filled with the scent of gingerbread and peppermint. But remember, this Yuletide charm also means the parks will be bustling with holiday revelers, so be prepared for the crowds. Booking your tickets in advance is a must. The last thing you want is to arrive at the park, only to find out that tickets have sold out. So secure your spot in the Magic Kingdom early, and avoid any last-minute disappointments. And let's not forget about accommodation. Disney World is a vast expanse of enchantment, and to truly experience it, you'll need more than a day. So whether you opt for a resort on-site or a cozy Airbnb nearby, make sure you book your lodgings well in advance. Remember, the holiday season is a busy time at Disney World, and the magic is in the details. So plan wisely, book early, and get ready for a holiday experience that will leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. Now that you've planned your visit, let's move on to the fun part, exploring Disney World. Disney World is a land of endless magic and fun, with so much to see and do. Let's dive into the heart of the enchantment, the must-see attractions and seasonal events that make Disney World a winter wonderland like no other. As the snow falls, the Magic Kingdom transforms into a shimmering spectacle of holiday cheer. Cinderella's castle gleams with icy beauty, while a festive parade dances down Main Street, USA. From the thrills of Space Mountain to the timeless charm of It's a Small World, the Magic Kingdom is a flurry of fun that never ceases to amaze. Now, if you're a fan of exploring different cultures and cuisines, then Epcot is your global gateway. During the holiday season, Epcot's World Showcase becomes a celebration of traditions around the world. You can stroll through the streets of Paris, enjoy a German pretzel, or take in a mariachi performance in Mexico, all while surrounded by the holiday spirit. But the magic doesn't stop there. Disney World is home to special Christmas events that make the season even more spectacular. Experience the joy of the Candlelight Processional, a moving choral performance that tells the story of Christmas. Or step into the world of Disney's Hollywood Studios and be dazzled by the sunset season's greetings, where the Hollywood Tower Hotel transforms into a canvas of holiday scenes. Each park has its unique charm and attractions. Animal Kingdom, with its awe-inspiring wildlife and immersive Pandora. The world of Avatar offers a unique blend of nature and fantasy. And let's not forget Disney Springs, where you can shop, dine, and be entertained in a festive setting that's brimming with holiday cheer. But remember, it's not just about the attractions. There's more to Disney World than meets the eye. From the delicious seasonal treats that tempt your taste buds to the joyous carolers that fill the air with music, every corner of Disney World is a celebration of the holiday spirit. So buckle up, and let's continue our magical journey through Disney World. Want to know how to make your Disney World visit even more magical? Well, you're in luck. We've got the insider scoop just for you. Let's start with the attractions. Timing is everything. Early morning and late evening are usually the best times to visit popular rides. You'll find shorter lines, and the cooler temperatures make the experience more enjoyable. Plus, who doesn't love a sunrise or sunset backdrop for those perfect holiday photos? Now let's talk Fast Pass. This system allows you to skip the regular lines at select attractions. It's a game changer. Make sure to book your Fast Passes as early as possible, as they do run out. And don't forget, you can only hold a certain number of Fast Passes at a time, so choose wisely. When it comes to dining, Disney World offers a wide range of options. From fine dining to quick service meals, there's something for everyone. And here's a tip. Make your dining reservations in advance, especially during the holiday season. This ensures you won't miss out on your favorite Disney dining experience. But remember, it's not all about rushing from one attraction to another. Take some time to savor the smaller details too. Disney World is known for its attention to detail, so take a leisurely stroll down Main Street, enjoy the holiday decorations, or simply sit and watch the world go by. It's these moments that often create the most magical memories. And finally, don't forget to take breaks. Disney World is huge, and it can be overwhelming. Schedule in some downtime to rest and recharge. Grab a snack, find a shady spot, and just enjoy the atmosphere. This will keep you energized and ready to continue your Disney adventure. With these tips and tricks, you're all set to make the most of your magical Disney World visit. You're now an insider, equipped with the knowledge to navigate the parks like a pro. So go ahead, immerse yourself in the magic and make those unforgettable holiday memories. So, are you ready to step into the magic of Disney World this Christmas? We trust that our guide has prepared you to fully embrace the enchanting aura of the holiday season at Disney World. From meticulous planning to choosing the right attractions, every detail counts towards shaping your magical experience. We've explored the captivating world of Disney's must-see attractions and seasonal events, each promising joy and excitement. Remember, the Cinderella Castle gleaming under the holiday lights and the heartwarming Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party are sights you don't want to miss. We've also shared some insider tips and tricks to help you navigate the park with ease, making the most of your time and resources. These nuggets of wisdom are sure to enhance your Disney World experience, making it truly unforgettable. Remember, the magic of Disney World is waiting for you. So, pack your bags, put on your Mickey ears, and get ready for a magical experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting tips and tricks. Happy holidays and see you in the next video.